John Deere Gator XUV and HPX utility vehicles are built for safety, for you and people around you. But it's your responsibility to understand those safety features and use them. This video covers some of the important points for safe operation. Please watch it and share it with others who may operate your Gator. The Gator XUV and HPX series are off-road vehicles with high-performance features. Properly operated, they can perform many tasks in a wide variety of conditions. Yet improper operation of these vehicles could lead to an accident. So keep in mind, the Gator utility vehicles are different from ATVs and other types of utility vehicles. To get the most out of your Gator, you have to start with the right knowledge and attitude. There are a few important steps to take before you operate your Gator. First of all, take time to read the operator's manual, paying special attention to the safety sections. And don't forget to read the individual manuals for each attachment you'll be using. Protect your investment and make sure your Gator is ready to go when you are. That means operating it properly and following the service procedures described in your operator's manual. Remember, never check the engine, radiator, coolant, or transmission fluids while the engine is hot. And always lower the cargo box and close the front hood before driving the vehicle. Locate and read all the safety decals and make it a point to always follow these safety warnings. Inspect the mechanical condition of your Gator before each use to minimize the chance of injury or being stranded. Be sure to check the condition of tires and wheels. Importantly, also check that the tires have the proper air pressure in them. Refer to your owner's manual for the required tire pressure. Adjust the seat position before starting the engine. Your Gator is equipped with either an occupant protective structure called an OPS or our optional deluxe canopy. Both versions are SAE certified structures and are equipped with seat belts. Always use your seat belt and check to be sure your passenger has fastened his or her seat belt. The vehicle must be in neutral to start. Turn the key to start the engine using the choke if equipped. If your Gator has a diesel engine, turn the key to the first position and wait until the glow plug light on the dash goes out. Then turn the key to start. Press down the brake pedal prior to releasing the park brake. With the engine in low idle, ease the shift lever into gear. Then, get to know your Gator. Practice on familiar territory before you head out to work. Start in an open, flat area, and always check for children, pets, or other equipment in the area. Drive slowly at first to get the feel of it. Remember, safety comes first. Handled correctly, your Gator is an effective solution for your job requirements. Always come to a complete stop before shifting speed range or before shifting into the opposite direction. To protect yourself from hazards, keep your feet on the platform inside the vehicle at all times. The key is control. Control of speed, terrain, surface conditions, and load in the cargo box. All the variables that contribute to safe operation. The Gator XUV and HPX series are designed for two people, the operator and one adult passenger. Never allow young children to ride in the Gator. Never allow the Gator to be operated by anyone younger than 16 years old. Young drivers may not be able to control it. The Gator is not a toy. Never allow passengers to ride in the cargo box or on the tailgate. Note the warning decal. Riders can fall off and be injured or even killed. Passengers should be allowed only in the passenger seat and should always use the handholds. Always be prepared for a sudden turn, emergency braking, or unexpected bump. The operator should always make sure that the passenger is aware of correct safety procedures while riding the Gator. The operator also must use the machine in a responsible manner and never jeopardize the safety of either person. Both the operator and the passenger need to be aware of the terrain and operating conditions. The vehicle has been designed to be stable in normal operating conditions, but aggressive slopes or uneven terrain could cause the machine to tip over. Speed contributes to accidents. Hitting a rut at a low speed is a lot different than hitting it at a high speed. Therefore, when you drive on uneven ground, always reduce your load and speed to maintain the vehicle's stability. And always slow down when making turns. Sharp or sudden turns could cause the Gator to roll over, even at slower speeds or on flat ground. When you drive downhill, always go slowly and use the brakes. Go straight up or down a slope and avoid sudden starts and stops. Turn on level ground. Remember, the Gator should not be used on public roads. And if you drive at night, use the lights so you can see and be seen. The traction assist lets you power both rear wheels for increased traction through tough spots or on slopes. Engage the traction assist only at slow speeds or when the Gator is stopped. Be aware that the turning radius will increase when the traction assist is engaged. Disengage the traction assist only at slow speeds when the vehicle is moving in a straight line or while stopped. On-demand four-wheel drive adds power to the front wheels for maximum traction through really tough spots. Only activate the on-demand four-wheel drive when the vehicle is stopped or when the vehicle is coasting. Before you leave the vehicle, it's important to stop the engine, set the parking brake, and remove the key. Never leave your running Gator unattended. The Gator XUV and HPX series can carry an operator, one passenger, and up to 1,000 pounds of payload in the cargo box on level ground. Don't overload it. Reduce the load and speed if you're operating over rough or hilly terrain. Remember, payload is more than just pounds carried. It's load density and the way the cargo box is loaded. Refer to the owner's manual to learn more about max load and vehicle weight limits. No matter what type of load you carry, keep the load inside the cargo box and as low as possible. This guard is designed to protect you, so never load above it. Higher loads could affect the stability of the Gator. Don't treat a load of wood the same as a load of gravel. A stable, safe load on flat ground might not be stable on hilly ground. Loads can suddenly shift on a slope or curve, so take time to spread the load evenly and properly strap or tie down your load. Whether or not you're carrying a load, always be careful on slopes. Go straight up or down a slope, turn on level ground, and drive slowly. Do not stop or start suddenly when going uphill or downhill. You may have to reduce the load to safely negotiate a steep slope or hilly terrain. If your vehicle is equipped with a power lift, be sure to avoid pinch points and stay clear of the bed when operating. Unless your vehicle is equipped with the optional power lift, always remove heavy loads before manually lifting the cargo box. To properly lift the cargo box, first push the release lever away from you. Using the side handle on the cargo box, raise the box. Be sure that the prop rod engages in the slot. To lower the cargo box, grasp the prop rod and lift the cargo box slightly to release it. Then use the handhold side handle to lower the box. Make sure the latch engages when the cargo box is lowered. Pulling a utility cart or other attachment expands the Gator's payload and versatility, but it also increases your responsibility. The Gator XUV and HPX series have a towing capacity of 1,300 pounds on level ground. Never exceed the Gator's stated towing capacity. Remember, this includes the weight of the trailer, not just the load in the trailer. Also, don't exceed the capacity of the trailer. It may be less than 1,300 pounds. Stopping distance increases with vehicle speed and weight of the towed load, so travel slowly and allow extra time and distance to stop. If you're towing a utility cart, don't haul cargo in the cart unless the cargo box of the Gator is also loaded. This ensures proper traction and braking. Be extra careful when you pull a cart, especially on slopes. If you pull a load that's too heavy, it can cause loss of traction and loss of control on slopes. The Gator XUV and HPX are designed to help you work faster and more efficiently. Once you get familiar with this machine, you'll be ready to tackle all kinds of jobs. Take time to get to know your Gator and be committed to safe operation. This video was designed to cover some of the key points of safety operation of your XUV or HPX Gator. For more safety information, please see your operator's manual. John Deere appreciates your business, and we wish you many safe years of productive use with your Gator utility vehicle.